Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to unbox Kingston Data Traveler USB 3.2 second generation. They claim that their speed is 200 MB per second data transfer speed. So I was decided to move from 3.1 to 3.2 USB. Previously I was using Samsung 3.1 USB device. It was taking too much time when we transfer files from one file to another file, one PC to from another PC. It was taking too much time when we have large files, so I decided to move from 3.1 to 3.2 USB. So I don't like this anymore, so through it. So let's unbox this USB and let's check their speed. So let's unbox this USB first and see what is in it, and then we will check the transfer speed. Okay, okay, here is it. So this is a Kingston Traveler Keystone device. You can see this USB 3.2 data traveler USB, and this is very lightweight. And what else in this? In here, this for the USB, because this is a data traveler USB device. So I think that's why they give us. So this is a device data traveler, and they claim 200 MB speed per second. So we will check this, that is it accurate or not. So I think let's cut this from here. Okay, I think we should cut from here also. Okay, this is also packed from outside. So the USB. Here we go. So this is 256 GB drive 3.2, and this is very lightweight. There's no weight in it, and this is for this we can use in this where we can save this device. So you can see the size is very small size and very lightweight. I really like this size. It looks very good. So I think let's test the speed, that how it works, because we need at least 200 MB speed per second because they claim that. So let's check. So let's check data transfer speed, that what is the read speed and write speed. So we need at least 200 read speed here. So I've selected 120 MB file and my USB device here, and the speed MB per second. So let's see, the software is working on it. Here we go. You can see that 234 read speed, which is 200 plus. So this is very fast. And let's see about write speed. Very good. So if we insert 3.1 USB here, and we can see only almost 15 to 20 MB speed here. So in the comparison of the 3.1 to 3.2, this is very fast. We can also see this speed in 3.1 USB, that how it works. Currently we have put it 3.1 second generation USB. So let's see write speed. Write speed is 97 MB per second, which is very high. Read speed is 200 plus MB and 97 MB write speed. This is really very good. So now let's compare with 3.1 USB. I'm going to stop this and removing this USB. Okay. So I am inserting 3.1 USB in this device to check that how it works. Okay. So let's see what is the speed of read and write in this USB. So let's wait for 2 seconds and then we can see the result of read and write. So the software is working, preparing the data. After that, we can see the speed of 3.1 USB. It is taking some time because the USB is very slow. That's why it is taking some time. Here you can see that speed of read is 17.17 MB. As compared to 3.2 USB, it is not even half. It is very low. That's why it is also taking some time. It is very slow. First time it was 17 MB, the second time is 16.35. So and third time 4, but we will read this 17.70. The first one is most accurate. So I think we should wait for write speed. The write speed was 97 MB per second in 3.2 USB. Now you can see the difference. Now it is writing the data in 3.1 USB. Here you can see 6.49 MB per second. In 3.2 USB it was 97 MB per second and read speed 200 plus MB per second. So here you can see the clearly difference between 3.1 and 3.2 USB. That's why I moved from 3.1 to 3.2 USB. So hope you have enjoyed this video. Thank you so much.